Craving something rustic and hearty that won't weigh you down? This one-pan Italian pasta with garlicky beans and kale delivers restaurant-worthy comfort in just 30 minutes using a chef's secret that transforms simple ingredients into magic. Alright, lovely people. Today we're cooking up something properly gorgeous. A beautiful one-pan pasta with garlicky beans and Italian kale that's absolutely bursting with flavor. This is comfort food that's actually good for you, packed with nutrients, dead simple to make and ready in just half an hour. For this beautiful dish, you'll need about 8 ounces of pasta penne, fusilli or orecchiette, all work a treat. Grab a couple tablespoons of good quality olive oil, 4 cloves of garlic that will slice nice and thin, and a pinch of red pepper flakes if you fancy a bit of heat. The stars of our show are a can of cannellini beans and a bunch of Italian kale, also called lacinato or dinosaur kale, with those beautiful crinkly dark leaves. Let's get cooking. First things first, get a large pot of water on to boil. Season it generously with salt. It should taste like the sea. And cook your pasta until it's perfectly al dente. Now here's the chef's secret, yeah? Before you drain it, scoop out about half a cup of that starchy pasta water. This liquid gold is what's going to bring our sauce together. While your pasta's bubbling away, grab a large skillet and heat up your olive oil over a medium heat. In go those thinly sliced garlic cloves and red pepper flakes. Let them sizzle gently until the garlic turns lovely and golden and fills your kitchen with that amazing aroma. Now toss in your chopped kale with a pinch of salt. Give it a good stir and let it cook down for about 3-4 minutes until it's wilted and tender. Beautiful. Next, add those drained and rinsed cannellini beans and let them warm through for another couple of minutes. If things are looking a bit dry, splash in a bit of that reserved pasta water. Once your pasta's cooked and drained, add it straight into the pan with your kale and beans. Pour in that reserved pasta water. This is where the magic happens. The starch in the water helps create this light, silky sauce that clings to every bit of pasta. Finish with a good squeeze of lemon juice and season with salt and pepper to taste. Give everything a good toss and plate it up. Sprinkle over some grated parmesan or nutritional yeast if you're keeping it plant-based, and maybe a final drizzle of your best olive oil. This dish is brilliant as is, but you can jazz it up with some sun-dried tomatoes for sweetness, toasted pine nuts for crunch, or even a soft poached egg on top for extra richness. It keeps beautifully too, so it's perfect for leftovers. Even delicious, served at room temperature as a pasta salad. So there you have it, a proper tasty nutritious meal that's on the table in 30 minutes. Simple ingredients transformed into something special. Give it a go and enjoy, my friends.
How to use different spices in recipes and their health advantages. Using different spices in recipes not only enhances the flavor of your dishes but can also provide various health advantages. Here's a guide on how to use some common spices and their potential health benefits. Turmeric. Usage. Turmeric has a warm, bitter flavor and is commonly used in Indian and Middle Eastern dishes. It's often used in curries, rice dishes, and soups. Health advantages. Turmeric contains an active compound called curcumin, which is a powerful antioxidant and has anti-inflammatory properties. It may help with arthritis, heart health, and may even have potential anti-cancer effects. Cinnamon. Usage. Cinnamon has a sweet and warm flavor and can be used in both sweet and savory dishes. It's great in desserts, oatmeal, and coffee, as well as in stews and curries. Health advantages. Cinnamon has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with diabetes or insulin resistance. It also has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger. Usage. Ginger has a pungent and slightly spicy flavor. It is often used in Asian and Indian cuisine and works well in stir-fries, soups, marinades, and tea. Health advantages. Ginger is known for its anti-nausea and anti-inflammatory effects. It may also help with digestion and reduce muscle pain and soreness. Garlic. Usage. Garlic has a strong and pungent flavor and is a staple in many cuisines around the world. It can be used in almost any savory dish, from pasta and sauces to roasted vegetables and meat dishes. Health advantages. Garlic has antimicrobial properties and may boost the immune system. It can also help regulate blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Cayenne pepper. Usage. Cayenne pepper adds heat and spice to dishes. Use it sparingly, as it is quite spicy. It's great in chili, sauces, and some desserts. Health advantages. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which may help reduce appetite and boost metabolism. It also has anti-inflammatory properties and can help with pain relief. Cumin. Usage. Cumin has a warm and earthy flavor and is a key spice in Indian, Middle Eastern, and Mexican cuisines. It's used in curries, spice blends, and chili. Health advantages. Cumin is a good source of iron and may aid in digestion. It also has antioxidant properties and may help improve blood cholesterol levels. Cardamom. Usage. Cardamom has a sweet and aromatic flavor and is often used in desserts, coffee, and tea. It's also used in some savory dishes in Indian and Middle Eastern cuisine. Health advantages. Cardamom may help with digestion and has antimicrobial properties. It's also a good source of antioxidants. Remember to use these spices in moderation and in combination with a balanced diet for the best health results. While they can offer health benefits, they are not a substitute for medical treatment or professional advice. If you have specific health concerns or conditions, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional. Thank you for watching.